My name's Brittany Cress. I'm an applications project manager at MG Newell. I've been at MG Newell for about a year now. We're a distribution and custom engineering projects business. One of the reasons why we have partnered with ArcherPoint for such a long time is because of just the relationship building that we've had with them. Our product manager, Quentin, has been fantastic. I email him regularly with questions and things, and he's very quick to respond. He explains the situation. It's very much a collaboration, a great partnership. Not to mention just the quality of work that we've gotten from ArcherPoint's team with our implementations for our ERP system has been phenomenal. What I value most in relationships, especially with ArcherPoint or any ISV, is that authenticity. It's actually one of MG Newell's core values is authenticity. We want to make sure that, we're being authentic with each other. We can have those hard conversations, be transparent, work together on solutions, and make sure whatever we're doing is going to give us a great product. My experience thus far with ArcherPoint has been a really fun one. We're currently navigating from Division to Business Central, so it's quite a big jump, and ArcherPoint has done a fantastic job of being a subject matter expert on that migration, and with that is those conversations on people and process improvements, understanding a new system, understanding how the migration is going to go, and they've really kind of held our hand, making sure that we're getting to where we need to go. The reason why we moved to Business Central is we have been on NAV for quite a while. And with that, one of the moves for Business Central is because we're doing the SaaS, which is software as a service. And that move is pretty pivotal because you're allowing your business to open up in such a way that you get to customize it in so many different ways, right? So you're in that Microsoft platform, you're going to be able to use those connectors for a Power Platform, Power Automate, etc. And with that, it's really going to help grow our business for processes that are really manual right now and turn them into something that's going to be much smoother. With any upgrade, you're always going to have a lot of challenges. With that, it's sometimes, what's something you had in an older program is not going to be in the new one, but usually that's because it's an improvement. So learning what's there and what's not is huge. But also with that, it's kind of that change management for people and expectations. Okay, that's what your day-to-day used to be, but now we're going to move it to this. And we promise it's going to be okay and even better. So it's the expectations, I would say, in the change management for people, letting them know it's okay. It's going to be better, I promise. Just hang in there. I most am looking forward to when we move to Business Central, especially as a SaaS software, is the integrations. We're starting to expand more into Power Applications and automations. Our accounting team has had a very manual process for a while, and it's very exciting to see them realize, I don't have to do this report manually anymore, or do this. And so I think getting into that system and opening that up so that people can really focus on what's important is going to be fantastic. The reason why we stayed with the upgrade subscription plan is for our business model, it made the most sense. It's pretty ease of use, right? It's the pretty low barrier of entry to getting into that software as a service that we need from Business Central. With that as well, we've just really enjoyed the partnership with ArcherPoint. I mean, again, I work with Quentin and Jay Mesh was our project manager, and both of them have been phenomenal. And so it just made the most sense. If you're moving from a major ERP upgrade, I would definitely make sure that you have someone in each department who's that subject matter expert and really knows what the process outline is. Document now so that when you're getting ready for that testing, no stones left unturned. Testing is such a pivotal part because you want to make sure that your process and your people know what to do, and documenting, making sure there's time for that people know what they need to do inside the new system, as well as training, right? I always look at an ERP upgrade as a great time to go, okay, let's all make sure we're on the same bandwagon, because sometimes I like to call it the Wild West. Not everyone's doing the same thing the right way. And consistency is key for data and for your business processes. So it's a great time to make sure everyone's on board the train and that you guys are about to leave the station. It's all set and it's going to make their life a lot easier. I would recommend ArcherPoint to other companies. One of the reasons why they're such a good partner is what I have found is that they're willing to really listen to what our process is and why something out of the box might not work. And so they're willing to have that conversation and go, okay, you know what? Yeah, we really see that's not going to work, especially for us. Our role and the way our company works is so customized that sadly not every software is going to work the way we need it to. And so having that ability to go, you know what, we need to pivot a bit from this, and being able to have that partnership and collaboration has been very important.